Ganda dito oh, at ang daming tao. Ano ba pinagkakagulihan nila at pinipilahan nila doon? Tingnan natin.
Pinipilahang blue wine. Ah, ayun ang ano pala. Ayun nga yung, ayun yung ano, ayun oh. Yan pala yung view ng Marienberg. Ma, diyan ka. If they have, what is the bridge in Czech Republic? The popular bridge?
In Prague.
In Prague, yeah? They also have here in Wolfsburg. Look, so many people in this bridge. Grabe. Oh, kita mo dito yung Marienberg na ano. Look, at everybody's drinking wine. Blue wine. Yun doon, no? Nakapira yung mga tao. May bumibili ng blue wine over there. Oh, look. Ito yung this is the view from the beach, oh. Saka mga tao, naka-blue wine sila, naka-wine sila. Lakas ng halo. Ayan o. That is the cathedral, the Wolfsburg Cathedral. Overlooking, ayan. There's the other bridge. At there's the Marienberg. Yeah, the monastery. That one. Ang daming tao, grabe.